Hey, what's up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, once again I'm present with the latest update of XRP. My friends, what's going on in this time in XRP? What is the current price? What's the price change over in XRP? And this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now my friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video, so please keep watching this video and don't skip any second of this video. And please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, because XRP Ripple coin and because ABS Tech channel will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. Now my friends, if we look the latest price update of the XRP, so the latest update of XRP is here. 1.04 US dollar is the latest price of the XRP. On the other side, if we look the Bitcoin price of the XRP, so 0.00002674 US dollar is the Bitcoin price of the XRP. Now my friends, I'm talking about the 6th June of XRP. Get ready for a 6th June, my friends. 6th June is absolutely a good day for everyone, because on the 6th June XRP you're going to the moon. You will be feel very happy after 6th June, because on the 6th June the XRP will start jumping, my friends. XRP will start jumping. Be ready for a 6th June, because the 6th June is a special day for all XRP Ripple coin holders. My friends, you can see here now just the price change occur in the XRP. Last 1 hour price change is positive, last 24 hours price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is also positive. So now the first week of a new month in this the first week of June is the absolutely a good day for all XRP Ripple coin holders, because in the end of first week XRP will take a huge pump. That is my prediction on the basis of technical analysis. On the basis of my personal research, I predict XRP that in the last first week of June XRP will take a huge jump. So what do you think? What is your prediction about XRP? Please tell me in a comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video.